Well, the mattress came in, but guess what? Alright, the smudge is gone. Okay, well, the mattress came in. See it? The beige bedding. See it? Isn't it pretty? It's very soft. But guess what? It's not really a mattress. I'll put this back in a minute. Ugh. It's not really a mattress. It is a topper. See? It's not really a mattress. See it? It looks like a mattress, but it's actually a mattress topper. So, you know what that means? I still have to buy a mattress. And I paid $80 for this thing. So, anyway, so in September I still have to get a regular mattress. See? It's not really a mattress. Anyway, that's all I wanted to talk about tonight in tonight's video. But I did get new bedding, so this is a big deal. But this thing is really soft. It's really, really soft. I gotta get a couple more pillows I'm gonna add here. Here's Ellie. Remember Ellie? Ellie the elephant that Lizzie sent me. And let's see, this is the dog from I bought myself for Easter. Isn't that cute? Anyway, that's all I wanted to show today. I wanted to show off this mattress pad, I should call it. But that's what it is. See? Let me move this bedding and just show you a little bit more. It's not really a mattress, see? It's not even that thick. I'll fix it back in a minute. But, in September, I'm going to have to get a mattress. A regular mattress, because this isn't a mattress. Okay, I will see you all later. Well, let me put this back on first. But anyway, that's all I wanted to say. I put it back. See? But it's a lightweight. You see it? It's lightweight and it's very soft, I have to say. I'm looking forward to sleeping on it tonight. But, yeah. Anyway, I just wanted to show it to you real quick. The new bedding. Here's the new sheets. See, it's supposed to be beige, but they don't even match. They're two different color beige. Boy, did I mess up, huh? Okay, I hope everyone enjoys this video. But, yes, I will see you all later.